Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on an 18-plate Toyota Aygo X-Pression. This is the 1-litre petrol with an automatic gearbox and 5 doors, finished in bold black metallic with the black alloy wheels, and it's covered just 10,000 miles. So have a good walk around this lovely looking automatic Aygo. March 2018 registered, just 10,000 miles on the clock. Really looks a cracking little car with the black on black. Stylish combination. 2 former keepers. 3 recorded services in the book, so really well maintained despite the very low mileage. Matching Continental premium branded tyres all round. You've got that 5-door practicality. £190 year to tax, as with all cars of this age. Excellent on fuel, over 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run. Ideal if you're after a small little automatic, which everybody seems to be these days. Extremely popular with us. Obviously being Toyota, very reliable with that 1-litre petrol engine, 3-cylinder. You've got the darkened rear windows, and then as we have a look inside, lovely condition as you'd expect. All the seats in really good shape. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Up onto the steering wheel itself, which is again in good condition, you've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your radio controls, you've got automatic lights, you've also got your paddles for your gear change if you want to do it in more of a manual mode, or if you think you're a rally driver. Manual handbrake, there's your automatic gearbox down below, so you've got reverse, neutral. Then if you want to knock it across, you can do it in a more of a manual setting. Up above we've got a 12-volt socket, auxiliary with USB, couple of cup holders. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then onto the screen itself, I'll just get the keys out of my pocket. So poor form. There we go. So there's your mileage, 10,396. And then down below we've got climate control as opposed to just your standard air conditioning. And then up above, nice big touchscreen system, which if you've been looking at these you'll probably all know. So it's all touchscreen. You've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone. I will just go into the connection because you've also got satellite navigation built into this one, which is a nice touch. Not many of these did have that. So that's a nice sat-nav system built in, and also a reversing camera at the back. So really nice level of spec for a car of this nature. Like I say, you've got that 5-door practicality. Into the back you've got your carpet mats, pop open rear windows, 2 headrests with 2 seat belts, so it's a 4-seater vehicle. ISOFIX for your child seats. And then into the load space itself, split folding rear seats, you've got a little parcel shelf at the top, and then a perfectly usable load space, goes down quite a long way, obviously not massively deep. And then underneath you got your locking wheel nut set and your inflation kit and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, March 2018 Toyota Aygo X-Pression automatic with the sat-nav, 10,000 miles with service history, 2 former keepers, 60 plus miles to the gallon, nice low insurance group as well. Finance is available from around £230 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Small autos, always ever so popular, and I'm sure this one's going to be snapped up like the rest of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.